Today's question is 9 plus 1 over 3 whole raised to power of 2023 over 3 raised to power of 2021 times 3 plus 1 over 9 whole raised to power of 2022. The exponents are very large numbers. Let's see how to solve it. First, we need to take only the numerator part and simplify that. What we have, 9 plus 1 over 3. So 9 plus 1 over 3 whole raised to power of 2023. This is our numerator. If we take LCM here, so the LCM is 3. So then do 9 times 3 is 27. 27 plus 1 which gives 28. Whole raised to power of 2023. This is our numerator. Now it is in the form of a over b whole raised to power of m. We can write this as a raised to power of m over b raised to power of m. So I am going to write this as 28 whole raised to power of 2023 over 3 raised to power of 2023. So let's take this as a numerator. 28 whole raised to power of 2023 over 3 raised to power of 2023. This is my numerator. Now I am going to simplify the denominator. What we have? 3 raised to power of 2021 times 3 plus 1 over 9 whole raised to power of 2022. First I am going to take LCM for this part. If you take LCM here, so the LCM is 9. So 9 times 3 is 27. 27 plus 1 which gives 28. So 28 whole raised to power of 2022. It is in the form of a over b whole raised to power of m. We can write this as 28 whole raised to power of 2022 over 9 raised to power of 2022. So let's take this as a denominator. So what is our denominator? 3 raised to power of 2021 times, so 28 raised to power of 2022 over 9 raised to power of 2022. So it is in denominator, so it goes to numerator. Here at denominator we have 3 raised to power of and 3 raised to power of. So that's why the numerator 9 I am going to convert in terms of 3, which is 3 raised to power of 2. So let's write, instead of 9 I am going to write 3 raised to power of 2. Now it is in the form of a raised to power of m whole raised to power of n. We can write this as a raised to power of m times n. We can write this as 3 raised to power of 2 times 2022. And 2 times 2022, after multiplying, then you will get 4044, isn't it? Now observe the denominator, which we have 3 raised to power of 2023 times 3 raised to power of 2021. So when bases are same, we can add the exponents. Use that property here. So if we add the exponents, then you will get 2023 plus 2021. You will get 4044. 4044. Now observe here. Numerator we have 3 raised to power of 4044 and denominator 3 raised to 4044 gets cancelled. So we left only this part. So a denominator what we left 28 raised to power 2022. I am going to write here. In the numerator power we have 2023. This we can write it as 2022 plus 1, isn't it? So now the numerator it is in the form of a raised to power of m plus n. We can write this as a raised to power of m times a raised to power of n. When bases are same, we can add the exponents. So use that property. I am going to write 28 raised to power of 2022 times 28 raised to power of 1 over the denominator we have 28 raised to power of 2022. Now see here, numerator and denominator gets cancelled, so we left only 28. So the result is 28. Your support means a lot to me. So please subscribe to my channel and give your valuable comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching.